All right, here we go. 4 through 12. Not 4. 7 through 12. Math workshop.
The batteries will last. I got one more.
It's not. It'll last a little longer.
You can, they want the one.
Alright, when's our math workshop test next week?
Monday.
Monday. All right, yes, here we go. Let's talk about perfect squares. What was the first perfect square? No.
1.
1. Not the first number. The first. We're going to list our perfect squares. What's the next perfect square? 4. What's the next one? 9. Keep going. Everybody, come on. 25. Everybody, like more than 2 voices. Uh-huh. Yep. 64. Yep. Yep. Keep going. Come on, besides the list. Let's go. Uh-huh. Yeah, keep going. Come on, 2 more. Uh-huh. Yep, I can fit 1 more. Let's do 1 more. 196 is all I can fit on there. All right, you got your calculators? Okay, 4 is already on that list. What is the square root of 4? 2, and you're done. Yep, okay. All right, 243. Guys, it doesn't matter if it's wrong. Let's take one of those perfect squares, and let's divide it by 243. 81? All right. There you go. All right. So I can rewrite 243 as what number times what number? Times 3. There you go. And the whole reason you do that is because 81 gets to come out as what number? 9. There you go. All right. What about 605? Who cares if it's wrong? Pick one.
144.
144. Nope. Let's pick another one.
121.
121? Yep, there we go. All right, so I can rewrite 605 as what number times what number? Yeah. Times how much? 5. There you go. All right, and Aaron, what's 121 come out as? 11. Perfect. Very good. All right, next one, 338. Who cares if it's wrong? Just pick one. 144. Nope. Let's pick another one. 64? Nope. Let's pick another one. 36? Nope. Let's pick another one. 169. Yep, there we go. All right, so we can rewrite 338 as what number times what number? Yeah, times 2. There you go. All right, and Nicole, we do that because 169 comes out as what number? 13. Perfect. All right, 150. That should be an easy one. 25. More than likely. Yep, that's the biggest one. All right, so I can rewrite 150 as what number times what number? 25 times 6. Very good. All right, Jalen, so we do that because 25 gets to come out as what number? 5. Perfect. All right, 24 should be an easy one too. 4? Yep. Okay, so I can rewrite 24 as what number times what number? 6 times 4. Very good. All right, and Jose, we do that because 4 gets to come out as what number? 2. Very good. Okay? All right, let's talk about homework last night. Homework was page 11, 1, 2, and 3. So get that out real quick. Let me look at that. Okay, so let's talk about zero period real quick. So there's a reason why there is a reason why zero period was made. It was not for you to sleep in. What was zero period made for?
To come in and make up work.
To come in and make up work, and what else?
Finish homework.
Finish your homework. Okay. You're in 11th grade, some of you are in 12th grade. What happens if your boss tells you to write a report that night and you don't turn it in the next day? Are you going to have a job very long if you keep doing that? No. Okay, guys, that's the same thing that homework is. Yes, it's a grade, but it's getting you ready for when you go to real life. Some of you got 1 year, some of you got 2 years until you go to real life, and they don't play. You're not just going to keep your job if you don't do your stuff. You all good? Okay, I don't mean to fuss with the ones that already did your homework because you're all right. All right, let's see. Wilmer, what'd you get when you saw this person for a while? -3? Okay, if you did not do your homework, you should be writing this down on this piece of paper right now. Like, nobody's going to be there to baby you your whole life. 1, 2, 3. What baby? Is it positive 3? No, it's -3. So you have, hold on a minute, I'll show you. X minus 3y equals 6. You're going to subtract x. That'll give you a -3y, negative x plus 6. You can divide by negative, it'll be -2. Be -2. 1/3 x minus 2. It's okay, Wilmer. Just fix that. You just looked at it wrong, so. Alright, Jalen, what'd you get when you solved the second one for y? Plus 3. Very good. Very good. Alright, they cross, okay? So what do we call them if they cross? Consistent and independent. Very good. And I need to know that point of solution right there. That point where they're equal. How much is that? Perfect. Very good. Very good. Alright, AJ, what'd you get on this first one when you solved it for y? Yeah. Like y equals whatever. Perfect. Very good. And anybody, that means my y-intercept is how much? What's my 0? Alright, Aaron, what'd you get when you solved the bottom one, baby? For y? Minus how much? 2. Perfect. Very good job. Okay, so those are parallel. So what does it mean when they're parallel? Inconsistent. Perfect. Alright, you got a quiz on Friday, okay? You have a quiz on Friday. What's your quiz on? 3 things. This is the first thing. What's this called? Look at your learning targets. What's the very first thing we learn? Solve by what? Graphing. There you go. And then there's the second thing on your quiz is substitution. The third thing that's going to be on your quiz Friday is elimination, which we are going to start learning today and finish up tomorrow, okay? So substitution, what do you have to look for? Any letter by itself. Okay, so Jalen, do you see a letter here in one of these two that's real close to being by itself? The y on which one? The top one, right? The first one? So I need to solve that for y. If you didn't get this, you should be getting this on your paper, working it with us, not on your phone. Alright, so let's see, that's y equals negative 3x plus 7, right? You okay so far? Alright, Jalen, here we go. So we're going to take this negative 3x plus 7, and we're going to plug it in for what letter? Into the y. There you go. It's right here. There's a y, okay? So you got 4x plus 2, but then I'm not going to put y. I'm going to put negative 3x plus 7, and then it equals 16. Alright, Ramiro, what would I do from there, buddy? Yeah, distribute the 2. So I get 4x minus 6x plus 14 equals 16. Alright, Jenny, what can I do from there? Look on me. What can I do from here? Not yet. Well, you see that I can subtract these two, and what do I get? Plus 4 minus 6. Negative 2. Very good. Alright, Madison, what else can I do, Bobby? Very good. Perfect. And Sailor, one more step, baby. What can I do? By negative 2. Very good. Alright, so x is equal to negative 1. But that's not my answer yet, right? Because the whole thing that I'm doing is I'm trying to find this point right here where they're cross. I'm trying to find an x and a y where they're equal. So now I got my x, but I got to find my y. You have 3 options. You can plug into the first one, the second one, or the one you solved it. Which one's going to be the easiest one? The first one, okay, so it'll be 3 times negative 1 plus y equals 7. Alright, so it'll be negative 3 plus y equals 7. Right, AJ? Okay. You tired? You guess? You don't know? So 7 plus 3 is 10. Alright, so what would be my ordered pair? Perfect. Jalen, a little bit better? Kinda? Alright. Okay, here we go. We got a checkpoint to do first. And then we're going to finish up page 4. Actually, let's finish up page 4 first from yesterday. Page 4, page 4. Here, Jenny. I'm sorry about that. Hey, Jay. Quit hollering that across my room. Quit hollering that word across my room.
What word?
Shut up. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait, we did finish it, didn't we? Okay, we're good to go then. Alright, let's do a checkpoint. Here we go. We're going to do 10 minutes. 10 minutes on checkpoint. And after that, we're going to do something else.
We're not doing help. Are you doing group work? I would be able. I'd be able to.
Alright, look at these two at the bottom. Alright, so let's remember what we talked about. When we did our very first learning target, we were going to do solve systems equations by graphing, right? And what did we make ourselves a note about? How do we have to solve them by graphing?
That's what
Okay, here you go. So when you have graphing, you got to get y by itself. You're all okay with that one? Alright, then we did substitution. What was our note that we made ourselves with substitution? Any letter by itself, right? Alright, now we're about to make another one for elimination. So get your pencil ready, and let's make a note for elimination. Ready? Alright, what elimination? Ready, AJ? AJ. Okay. You gotta have the same number with the same letter. Alright, now all this stuff is just a review from Algebra 1, okay? Alright, so let me tell you what I mean by that. What number's with M? Right here. 1. What number's with M right here? They have the same letter, but do they have the same number? Nope. Alright, so what number's with N here? Negative 1. AJ, you with me? What number's with N here? 2, right? Are they the same letter? Yeah. Are they the same number? No. So now you have to make them be the same. So how do you make them be the same? You have to multiply something, right? So which one do you want to work with? It doesn't matter. The M's or the N's? The N? Okay. N. All right, here we go. So we have 1 and 2. Don't worry about the sign. How do I make 1 become 2? What would I multiply him by? 2. But if you do it to one thing, you got to do it to all 3 of them. All right, here we go. So that'll be 2m minus 2n is equal to negative 18. All right, did I do anything to the bottom one? Nope, so just bring it over. Alright, now do I have the same letter and the same number, regardless of the sign? Don't worry about the sign. Yes. Alright, now, the word is eliminate. So how would I make the -2 and the +2 completely go away? You would add them together. Very good. But if you do it to one thing, you got to do it to everything. So what's 2m plus 7m? 9m. Just slow down. You got to add them. All right, -2 plus 2 is 0. All right, equals, what's -18 plus 9? -9. There you go. And then you're going to divide. And now you got what m equals. All right, you have 3 options. You have the first one, the second one, and the one where you multiplied. It doesn't matter. Which one do you want to plug the m back into? The first one? Okay. So we have -1 for m, and then minus 1n is equal to -9. All right, so I'm going to add that 1. All right, so I get -1n is equal to -8. Everybody getting this with me? All right, I'm going to divide by -1. And you get +8. How do you know which one comes first in the order pair? Alphabetical order. M comes first in the alphabet, and then N. So -1, 8. Dan, how you doing on this stuff? Good? Sure? Okay, alright. Alright, here we go. Let's do one more, and then we'll call it a day. Alright, number 2. With elimination, you got to have the same number with the same letter. I got 2 and 3 with X, and I have 4 and 6 with Y. Are any of them the same? Nope. Alright, here we go. I personally want to deal with the X's. Why would I want to deal with the X's? Because they're smaller, right, Bryson? They're smaller than the 4 and the 6. So what number does 2 and 3 both go into? 6. There you go. So what would I need to multiply 2 by in order to be 6? 3. And then on the bottom, what would I need to multiply the 3 by to get 6? 2. And then you got to multiply everything on the top by 3 and everything on the bottom by 2. Alright, now I have 2 options because I have both the x's are the same and both the y's are the same. So how would I make the x's go away? What would make 6 and 6 go away? Subtract. What would make 12 and -12 go away? Add, right? Let's subtract to get rid of those x's first. It's just so we have a 1 for each one. Alright, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now be careful. Use your calculator. Here we go. What's 12 minus -12? 24. Alright, same thing. That's the reason you put these parentheses around it. You're going to subtract everything. 54 subtract 6. 48. There you go. Divide and you're done. Alright, you have 4 options to get x. You can either plug into the first 2 or the second 2 where you multiplied. Doesn't matter. They'll all give you the same answer. What do y'all want to do? The first one? Okay, alright. So we have 2x plus 4, and then I'm going to change y to be 2 equals 18. Alright, 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract the 8. Divide by 2 and you're done. What's your order pair? 5, 2. Y'all okay? Anybody lost? Alright, no homework tonight. Y'all are good to go. If you're still working on the checkpoint, you have about 4 minutes left to work on the checkpoint, okay? 4 minutes left on checkpoint. And then we have a quiz on what day? Friday. Math workshop test on what day? Monday. Yeah. Okay. Did you get the notes on everything? You sure? Okay. And then there, come see me before Friday if you have a question.
The very last. You started it out? Yes.
Okay.
The very last page.
Oh, like 2 problems. Okay. It's
I think I got those actually. Let's see. I put it in the.
Yeah. Very good, AJ.
Well, here's a homework for you guys.
All right, I'm going to show y'all some quizzes and tests real quick before we leave. Lynn, this is a quiz for you. Hunter, Jose, Carrington, Sailor, Jenny, these are quizzes for y'all. Come look at these quizzes real quick. You have 1 week to do quiz corrections, and you have to do tutoring first. Jose? One week to do quiz corrections, and you have to do tutoring first. All right, and then these are your tests. Aaron, Bryson, Nathan, Madison. AJ, Wilmer, Nicole, Pierce. Yes, put them in the tray when you get finished. Put them in the tray when you get finished, guys. Pierce, Mallory, Ramiro, Dylan, Jalen. All right, if you haven't taken the test yet, guys, you only have in the tray. You only have till next week. Friday's the last day. For SGA, Thursdays always. Bye, guys. Y'all have a great day.